In this video, I'll show you how to uninstall Battle.net from your PC or laptop. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright, the first thing you need to do is open up Add or Remove Programs on your PC or laptop. So type in on the search bar here, Add or Remove Programs. And as you can see, that's it there. So click on to Add or Remove Programs. And you can go ahead and search the app here. So I'm going to type in Battle. There it is here. So I'm going to click onto it, then click on the three dots, far right hand side, and go ahead and click on Install. This app and its related info will be uninstalled. So go ahead and click on Uninstall again. Click on Yes. Are you sure you wish to uninstall Battle.net and remove all files? Yes, uninstall. This game is running or being used by Battle.net. So if you get this, make sure Battle.net is completely closed in the background. So to do that, I'll just quickly show you how to do it. So right click the Windows icon and then click on the Task Manager. And if it's running in the background, it will be here. So as you can see, Battle.net is running here. So go ahead, End Task. And then End Task. Anything that says Battle.net, End Task. So click on it and then click on End Task. Then close that window. Click on Close here. Once you've done that, go back to here. Click on the three dots. Click on Uninstall. Click Uninstall again. Yes. And now it should go through the process. There we go. Are you sure? Yes, uninstall. So then it will say uninstalling Battle.net or Battle.net. Please wait. So give that a few moments. Alright, once that is done, there's no confirmation that you've uninstalled Battle.net, but if you want to double check, click on search, type in Battle, and if nothing pops up here, it has been uninstalled.